Hi, my YouTube family. This is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today, we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, today we're going to cook moringa leaves. I got some moringa leaves yesterday, but I did make a mistake. I got a little too much. I should have gotten very little because these leaves are extremely expensive. They were like $6, $7 per pound, which is like clearly very outrageous because in a moringa tree there are like billions and billions of leaves, and back home nobody used to care about them because moringa tree grows like wild everywhere, and tons of leaves and flowers and pods, and it's easily accessible. And moringas are extremely healthy and loaded with all kinds of vitamin minerals. But anything is freely available, easily available. People usually don't tend to go for that. They go for very expensive chemicals. But so I did get little too much, but then next day I see that half of the leaves are gone bad. So yeah, and there are a lot of wastage came out of this, so that is a lot of wastage. So yeah, what I'm going to do is put them in my garden. And yeah, I did try to grow moringa, but the thing is moringa becomes so huge and it really doesn't grow everywhere. So if you live on much the colder places, it won't grow. You have to live like Florida or somewhere, Texas, Florida, to grow it. So what I already washed and cleaned many times. You have to do that. And I got a little bit of asafoetida and cumin seed and 2 cloves of garlic. It's very simple, cooking very simple way. You don't need much of spices in this. So I'm just gonna saute it with some salt, turmeric, garam masala powder, vegetable masala powder, anything that tastes. And yeah, but I was planning to dry these leaves in sun, but I didn't see any sun lately, and it's always gloomy and rainy and cold. So yeah, I'm not gonna wait for the sun, so I'm just gonna cook it, and next time when I do get it, I'll make sure my leaves are extremely fresh and not being washed previously, because once they wash it and package things up, then those leaves tend to go bad faster. And so yeah, I think this time I overdid it with my leaves because I got all kinds of leaves too much. And cilantro, heavy metal detox really works because I really felt it. And yeah, it really, but be careful because it does take out all the heavy metals, including the iron, and our body needs little amount of iron daily. So yeah, take food iron rich. Moringa is one of them, iron rich food. So just gonna wrap my moringa in. I'll just cook it just like a spinach. So I'll just put my salt, turmeric, garam masala powder, vegetable masala powder, cover it and cook it for 10-15 minutes until I see it's fully cooked, and then I'll show you the picture. So here is my moringa leaves cooked, and this is almost $18. So world's the most expensive greens. This is very tasty though, but what we had in India is much more tastier, and of course it tasted much better because it was very cheap, and this is so expensive. This little greens is $18. It's like caviar. So Do try it sometime, buy it and see if you like it, but look for some place where they charge less. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you.